I chose to study at Buckingham because I can finish my degree in just 2 years.
Here's how it works. We have an extra term of teaching in the summer, meaning that we have 4 terms each year instead of 3. The year looks like this. We also have 12 weeks of holiday as well, so there's still plenty of time to relax.
So we have the same number of teaching weeks over the course of our degree, just done in a shorter amount of time.
Having finished your degree 1 year earlier, you could do a master's, take a gap year, or even start work earlier. And you're saving on your living costs.
For me, it's a total win-win.
A great thing about Buckingham is our small class sizes.
Our tutorials are really small, there's like 6 to 8 students, so not only do we all get a lot of attention and a chance to speak, but we also get to know our lecturers on a personal level.
Having the small classes, it's something I would need. I wouldn't probably have done well in a bigger university.
As you can see, the small class size makes it very personal and very interactive for both the peers and the students, and provides us with a lot of opportunities to do group and peer work.
So this means we get lots of contact time with our lecturers, leaving us feeling very supported.
At Buckingham, you can complete your degree in 2 years and get top quality teaching as well as lots of contact with your lecturers.
You can see it in Buckingham's excellent rankings for teaching quality and student satisfaction.
Why not come and see for yourself?